If your Amazon order status shows delivery attempted, delivery couldn't deliver your package, don't worry, this is a common issue and can usually be fixed if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and how you can solve it quickly without confusion. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account using your email or mobile number and password. Go to the Your Orders section and select the order that shows this delivery issue. Here you will see more details about why the delivery attempt failed. One common reason is that no one was available at the delivery address to receive the package. In this case, Amazon usually tries delivery again on the next working day. So the first thing you should do is wait for the next attempt and make sure someone is available to receive it. Another reason could be an incorrect or incomplete address. Check your delivery address carefully by going to your account settings and updating any missing details, like house number, street name, or contact number. This helps the delivery agent locate your address easily. Sometimes the delivery agent may have trouble reaching your location or contacting you. Make sure your phone is reachable and not switched off during the delivery time. You can also check if there are any special delivery instructions and update them if needed. If the issue continues, you can contact Amazon customer support directly from the order page. Use the chat or call option and explain your situation. They can help reschedule delivery or guide you with the next steps. In short, this issue usually happens due to unavailability, address problems, or contact issues, and you can solve it by checking details and coordinating with delivery support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.